Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei Watch to Samsung Health. First, ensure your Huawei Watch has at least 50% battery and your Samsung phone is adequately charged. Download the Huawei Health app onto your Samsung device. This is crucial for managing your watch and syncing data. Then, simply enable Bluetooth on your phone and open the Huawei Health app to begin the pairing process. This initial setup ensures a smooth connection. Once the Huawei Health app is open, tap on the Devices tab at the bottom of your screen. From there, select Add Device and locate your particular Huawei Watch model from the extensive list. A pairing request will then appear on both your phone and watch. Confirm it on both devices within 30 seconds to establish the initial connection. This step ensures your watch data flows into the Huawei ecosystem. With your watch paired, it is vital to grant the Huawei Health app all requested permissions. This allows it to access sensor data from your watch and track your activities accurately. Go into your phone's settings and enable background data refresh for the Huawei Health app. This ensures your health metrics, like your daily step count or heart rate, are continuously syncing even when the app is not actively open, maintaining up-to-date information. From the revealed drop-down menu, you will clearly see an option labeled Duplicate Track. Go ahead and select this. Instantly, BandLab will generate a perfect copy of your original track, placing it directly underneath. This new track will faithfully replicate all existing regions, applied effects, and any automation you had on the source, ready for further editing. It's a seamless process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.